Hello and welcome to this video where I will be talking about how to do pick in pick. So if you look up at the screen right now, you'll see that I have a picture inside of a picture, as newscasters often do. They have kind of a video or a picture playing on the side of them. So here's an example, another example. There's a picture within the picture. You can see it here. Again, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have created a new row with using this plus button that I'm calling pick and pick. So that's where all my pick and picks will be, just to stay organized. So you want to add a video or an image. So for example, if I wanted to upload really quickly a video, a picture, sorry. Oops, I'm just going to, hopefully that didn't mess everything up. I'm going to drop this Malala picture in there. And you can see where I have dropped it in. Okay, so I want to use this, and I want this to appear like next to my head in this video that I'm going to be doing here. You want to grab the picture and grab the picture and put it in your pick and pick line. And I want it to appear about right there. Okay, whoa. But see how it's giant in my background? I haven't told it that I want it to be small. So I'm going to double click that, and I'm going to go over here to these little editing buttons, the lines, the dots. And I'm going to drag this down until it's about the size I want. I like that. Then you want to move it to where you would like it to be. Done. Save changes. So now, let me put in my green screen here. And you can see my pick and pick starting from right there. It's kind of a good example of maybe getting my head in there, putting a little video. Do you see that? Green screen for the news. Now, let's say you're like, wait, I want it to play longer. I want Malala to stay up there longer. You want to click that picture and hover over the edge and drag it as long as you want it to be showing. And it'll stay there for as much time of this timeline as your video is showing there. So that is how to do pick and pick. You put a picture in your pick and pick row. You then double click the photo. Go to this tab up here. You'll probably start here. You want to go to that tab right there. Drag the scale till it's the size you want. Drag the picture to where you want it. Click Save Changes, and you're good to go.